BJP is carpet bombing with star campaigners including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visiting the state every other week. The big fear for the party is losing seats in Lower Assam due to the AIUDF Congress coming together.
आप सभी दोनों हाथ अपना उठाइए। जय श्री राम, जय जय श्री राम।
UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is one of over 12 star campaigners BJP has lined up for extensive campaigning for the first phase polls in Assam. But could this front foot campaigning have to do with electoral nervousness? Sources have told NDTV that the BJP is banking heavily on upper and central Assam seats, an area where they won 35 of the 47 seats in the 126-member assembly in 2016. BJP hopes this region could do the magic again to compensate perhaps for any losses in the lower Assam region.
So it is important for us to retain all the seats and improve our tally by at least 3 to 4. We will lose some seat in lower Assam. I mean, whatever loss we will have because of UDF and Congress alliance in the Muslim dominated seats. So we have to really factor those into account.
The 40 seats of Lower Assam region would go to polls in the third phase on 6th April. In 2016, the division of votes between the Congress and AIUDF had resulted in victory for BJP in at least 20 seats. But now the BJP fears that a huge vote share might stack up against the BJP due to Mahajod and the Ajmal factor. Assam has about 35% Muslim voters.
ये सारे 33% या 35% ये अजमल साहब के इशारे पे जाते हैं, अजमल साहब की बातें सुनते हैं, तो इन लोगों को डर है अगर 35% एक साथ में पलट गया तो इन लोगों पे कभी भी हुकूमत नहीं बन सकती.
Which is why the BJP has perhaps turned its attention to Upper Assam, the indigenous Assamese heartland where tea voters are also a major factor. Congress says not the BJP but Congress will regain in first phase in these make or break polls.
They have seen the true face of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Mr. Modi came to Assam, senior leaders came to Assam, they made big promises and they have done entirely the opposite.
The big question now, can star campaigners of the BJP and the party's calculation help it with the second term? Or can the opposition stitch together a strong alliance to propel to power? With Ratnadeep Chaudhary, Joshua Chin for NDTV.